if it's pointed out, but I don't have a problem talking to people. What we're doing today. Hello and welcome to at Jules' house. I thank you guys for stopping by. I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerators today, and I'm going to be cleaning out my pantry today. My goal, let me take the camera off of the tripod here for just a second. Behind the tripod is a shelf, and I bought it strictly because I wanted to put it over here in front of the window. But as you can see, I have a big upright freezer, and I also have a refrigerator. Now that refrigerator came with the house. Since we bought our very first house out here in the Northwest, we've always had a secondary refrigerator, and we've always had an upright freezer, and that's what we're used to. Now this refrigerator here is the one that we've had with us since our very first house that we purchased. We've had this for about 26, 27 years. But it's a side-by-side. I can't remember how many cubic feet it is. And then the refrigerator part, which I showed this yesterday or the day before yesterday, and it was kind of empty. So I went to the store and got us vegetables and some extra tortillas, cream, dressings, sauces, things like that. And I want to get rid of the stuff that's in there. Eventually I want to get rid of our gadgets and things that I have in here. Like I have a basket of gadgets, and I don't think we probably use one or two things in there, so I'm going to get rid of a lot of that stuff. And then I store my coffee and then strainers and things down here. I need to just, reconfigure things and take things out that we don't use. This just has a lot of like serving stuff that when we have had parties and things, I just have plastic ones here. Thermometers, some of my baking stuff, my rolling pin. So little things like that, I'll be just organizing that. This is a drawer that is a little messy right now. And I have like sazon and some Goya stuff. And then I have Ziplocs, and then I have some little like towel like from El Salvador that we bought a long time ago. So I need to just, reorganize a little bit. I'm not gonna do all that today. I will do that in another video. I'll show you when I am gonna be reorganizing everything again. And then I have these containers that were on the shelf there that I'm gonna wash out because I need to figure out how to use them for the things that we're using now. So I need to clean all of that stuff out. So just today is the refrigerators, and then the pantry I'm gonna clear out of old expired stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do today. All right, let's get you back on the tripod and then I'll start cleaning. Okay, so mind you, taking the stuff out of the refrigerator, I'm gonna be running back and forth to the sink to clean off my towel. I do use bleach, I don't use vinegar. I can't stand the smell of vinegar unless it's something to marinate my meat with. I don't clean with it. So I know that's been a really big deal with trying to go more organic with cleaning, but honestly, I do not use vinegar. I just don't. Okay, let's get started with the cleaning. I follow a couple of channels. One of them is At Home with Nikki, I think it is. I have watched her for years. In her refrigerator, she was doing a tour of her refrigerator. And her refrigerator, she's got bottles that all look exactly the same, like they're for storage, for containers to put like all of your ketchup, your mustard, all of that stuff. And she has them all lined up really pretty in there. She's got containers to put in her water bottles in. So it looks very much like a magazine, but it feels like a lot of work to have to empty out like your soy sauce, your mustard, your ketchup, your relish, to put it all in another container. Although it looks pretty aesthetically, to me it's not realistic. Although it looks super pretty, and I loved her video on it, I won't ever do that, I don't think. So I would rather just leave all my stuff, put all my sauces together, my marinades together, my dressings together. I don't know, what do you guys think? Tell me what you think. You know what? These do need to get washed, like washed. Okay, I'm just gonna try and put some of this stuff back. I don't know if I'm gonna rearrange anything in here. I'm gonna try. I didn't realize that the battery had died and I was getting hungry anyway, so I just decided to have some toast. So, all right. I love the smell of bleach. Reminds me of Saturday mornings when my mom used to get up to clean. That and the original scent of Pine Sol. Love it. All right, refrigerator number 1 is clean. Okay, let's take a look. All right. So I have our drinks and stuff up there, and I ended up reusing this container because I had it down here with this one with like jars of things, and I'm like, you know what, I'll just use it for my cans. And then I have my coconut flour and some cheeses, my fruits and little tomatoes, and then some other jarred stuff that I like to just kind of keep corralled in one spot. Charlie's food, it's always in this container. My onions that I have cut up, overflow of vegetables that I probably want to move to the other side if I can. And then all of my eggs, except for the bottom one, I just bought that yesterday. My keto stuff, vegetables, and then all of my cheese right there. I do need to buy some sandwich meat though. And then everything here is clean. So we have almond milk and whipped heavy cream, half and half, and some whipped cream for like our coffee topping. I have salad dressings and then like sun-dried tomatoes, olives. I have my sugar-free barbecue sauce right here. Then I have like my mustards, mayos, and things like that. I might bring it up one more level. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. There. Now it feels a little bit more proportionate. Then I have Parmesan cheese, Lea and Perrins, Worcester or balsamic vinegar. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's all nice and clean. I'm gonna wipe down the outside really quick and just put Navi's food in here. There's a little bit left in the bag, so I'm just gonna leave it on top to remind me to, actually I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag because that bag is so dang big. And we'll finish that within the next couple of days. And then her bin is completely clean and full. And then I put towels down for their placemats. They eat all the time, they eat right here. This is Charlie's container with her dry food. And then I'm gonna figure out how to clear this countertop off we'll see what I do because I really don't know where I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna move this and then we're gonna work on this second refrigerator. So my pantry is tiny, which is why sometimes we need to do this and that up there because I don't have a lot of room. Actually, we took out a couple things from in there. I have that thing over there. It's empty right now. I had flour in there, but I don't need flour. This one back here has some like pasta and risotto, just little like angel hair pastas for soups and things. I can't eat that. So I got these at IKEA a while back, probably a couple years ago. And I did organize my pantry really nice, and I had everything like designated things in there. So now that we're keto, I haven't been stocking it except for with some like mayo and things like that. And so I need to go through it. But I've got old stuff in there. I got like a bag of boba tea that I got that I want to make boba tea with. This are tapioca pearls. And I bought this probably 4 years ago. I know it's not good anymore. I'm not going to toss it because I just want to do my video. I'm going to clean out the pantry. I'm going to clean out everything that's here. So anyways, it's a small pantry. Then I think that's it. Just go there. This is fine. This is all there is to it. I threw away a few things. This, I think it's caramel, but I'm gonna ask Anne about it because it's not hers. I'm just gonna toss it. And then I'm gonna wipe out the fridge or the freezer. I have boxes up here. Some of it's cereal, but I need to put that in the pantry. I'm gonna reuse that, this for that. Some of the baskets, so I don't know how I'm gonna put this away. This is some keto stuff it says in there. This I would like to pack up in here, actually. So I am gonna reuse these containers though, the baskets. I think I have 3 of them. I think I got these at Walmart for like $5 a piece, $5.88 or $4.78 or something weird like that. But I am gonna reuse those because I'm gonna throw away some of the dollar store ones. Here's some extra, this came from my craft room, believe it or not, and I don't need all of these, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with those. Now, I also bought 2 boxes of my Almond Breeze vanilla milk. It's got 6 in each, and I got these from Costco. I really like it cold. I don't want to store it out if I don't have to, so I am gonna put them in the fridge. Okay, for now that's it. That goes in here. That's what I wanted to do today, is these and maybe the pantry. So maybe I can at least toss some stuff out of the pantry. So let's see. Horseradish cream, and it looks really gross now. 2016. What the hell's wrong with me? I have a lot of ají amarillo. If you guys don't know what ají amarillo is, it is a Peruvian chili, yellow chili. but I do have to check. I have 5 of them, so I need to check and see what the dates are. 2022, October 2021. I need to use that one right now. The ones I need to use now, I'll leave it in the fridge. 2021 expires June of 2022, so that one's okay. I have 2 more in here. I use this a lot, so and I took 2 to my son because he does like to cook, and then I gave one to Anna yesterday. So let me see, July 2017. I know this is old. 2017. Holy cow, 2017. I do like David's. I don't know who bought this. 4,520 milligrams of sodium in this little bag. Not even a 4-ounce bag of I should just toss it. I don't know if I should swap this white one for the metal one. Actually, I'm not sure what the difference in the size is either. So this is 39.5 inches. Oh, this one's 35. I might swap it out for that extra 4 inches. January 2017. All right, I'm gonna take this out to the trash. I'll be right back. All right, so where do I start? I don't know what to start with. Oh, those are pretty though, right? What do you think of those?